Hi, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I want to talk about the touchscreen radio control panel. So this radio can be found on the 2014 to 2019 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra. With both of these trucks having various trim levels, it's the radios with the 8-inch LCD displays that typically have these problems. Here are the most common issues with these touchscreen radio control panels. Power loss. The screen doesn't turn on at all. Touchscreen, not working or no response when touching the LCD touchscreen. Ghost touch. The unit seemingly has a mind of its own, turning on various functions without even touching it. Cracked or damaged screen. If your touchscreen radio control panel is experiencing any of the mentioned issues, your original OEM radio can be refurbished to ensure all functionality is restored and make it work like new again. There's no need to purchase a replacement. Save time and money by having your unit refurbished by us. No additional programming or coding will be required upon reinstallation. We'll fully bench test your unit, carry out all the necessary repairs. With our fast turnaround, you'll be back on the road jamming to music in no time. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.